Hey there and welcome back. I wanted to make a quick jump-in video. Now, for work, I do moderate a lot of the emails that come through our system. I'm not going to get into that, but I wanted to touch on this because I found this very interesting. You see here, we have reporting privacy policy with whatever this junk is at the bottom. I'm not sure why it's so long. Um, but if we head down here, open new tab, it's going to let us. We can see here it's 0 likes, 0 followers. um, it's a shit post. It's a pure fucking shit post. So what we're going to do here is we'll open up this page, but instead we're going to copy this address. We're going to load up Burp Suite. We're going to have a little fun. I don't care. We'll do temporary project. We'll start Burp. Now, obviously, don't go clicking on links you're not supposed to be. But for this, we're going to... I don't care that there's an update. Go away. Yes. Thank you. Um, we'll go ahead and use this, which we can essentially filter out everything because we're proxying through Burp Suite. So I'll show you guys here. We open this. You can see literally all the information that is being passed through. We'll go forward it. We don't care. And here's where it starts. You can see the refer, so where we came from, and then we can see our fancy new website that we were brought to for that. And you guys can see I was having a little bit of fun here. And they aren't checking for phone numbers, so we're just going to do that and add that. And just like that. As you can see, obviously, this isn't Facebook. Like, if we try and create an account, if we use Facebook dating, like, none of this works, okay? It's a phishing scam, basically. We agree to whatever terms. We can't even change the language. Yeah, we can't even search either. There's literally nothing we can use on this page other than this form, and I'll show you why. So, first off, shit code. I'll tell you why. It is trying to query geolocation database for an IP address, which when you run a web server, you're already getting the IP address, so you're essentially jumping through more hoops than you need to. Go ahead, hit continue. I'm going to go ahead, drop this because we don't need it. I'm not looking to dox myself. And actually, here's something interesting I noticed. They aren't checking for the password, but watch. Password was incorrect. It didn't query an external server yet. Now it does. We sent in an options, and we sent this. So here is all of the information that we were about to send. As you can see here, that IP address was about to be used. That geolocation IP, for example. And then it is sending essentially all that information we sent here. 6969 E plus 25. I'm not sure why that's doing that. That is really shitty for handling phone numbers, but I probably don't need that anyways. And then our password of penis pump and penis pump 2. Don't judge my passwords. I promise I am secure. I can't speak. But then we also have code. So we'll go ahead. We'll forward this. And here's our code. It's not checking, so we're just going to put in some random numbers. Verification, once again, was correct. Oh, let me double check. We'll send it again. Options, once again, was sent via our API from whatever the hell this is, probably some server in Romania. Actually, now that we have that info, I am going to do one check. And before I dox myself, put it up here. And 82.180.138.7. Ah, would you look at that? It is a hosting IP. So, Terra Transit looks like a German hosting provider, but servers in Arizona. I'm not sure why. Whatever. And we're hosting a lot of different other sites here. Can we view any sites? No, we can't. So it's probably like a cPanel server or something. So we'll go ahead, forward that options, and once you see here, that code was sent. Now, why they need this, I'm not sure, because it's only valid for a few minutes. So my best guess is they've got a dedicated team running through these codes and passwords. Whatever, not a problem. Now, here's the best part about this. Burp Suite is free, or at least Community Edition is. We can go ahead, take action, and copy as a curl command. And if we wanted to, we can do nano fuck yeah mum.sh will true do echo attempt, just so we can see if there was any attempts or if there was errors, and then control shift V because we're copying into the terminal, and then done, and chmod plus x that, so we can essentially execute it, and would you look at that. And we're sending garbage data to them, essentially flooding their database full of garbage data. That's the fun part. So if you ever get any phishing links and you know how to either sandbox them or take care of them, obviously not submitting real data, why don't you try Burp Suite? Maybe see if you can fuck with them a little. Cheers, and have a good night, lads, and obviously stay safe.